Hi everyone, it's Louise with Louise McHare, and welcome to my channel. So this was intended to just be for me as a video, but because of the way it turned out, I felt comfortable sharing it with everybody, and it's something new and different. It's a wandering pour, and I also added some negative space to this. So let me get this going. Let's just get started. A little gold to start at the bottom. Gotta do 2 cups. I'm not even sure how big this cup is. So because this was a 45-minute creation, I'll be doing a lot of cutting and trimming, but you'll get the gist as we go through. And then I'm going to use my Nicolazo gold following that. Cloud mixture. By Arteza. Light and dark. And now I'm just sitting here thinking that's going to make orange, these 2 colors together. So now that I've been around the horn with all the colors, I'm going to go on fast forward and do a lot of clipping. So you're just going to see me pour the cup. So you'll see all the layering as I go through here. So I'm going to go straight into the wandering pour, and I'm going to pick up the pace here as well. That's interesting. We'll see where it goes. Now, other cup. Now, my plan is to fill in some of these gaps with some black scraps and see how this all shapes out. So, let's start wandering. Let's wander from this direction. And I'm gonna go over that way and then come back through. We'll see what we get. I'm keeping it on real time here so you can see how it looks in actual real time. Got my black scraps here. I'm gonna fill in the gaps. Seems like I got a little open space over here, but okay, it is what it is. So I'm really gonna jet through this because you don't need to see me filling in every single space. Okay. Torch. See if this thing will even move anymore. So what I'm doing through here is just trying to feel where the paint is and know which direction I want to start to go in first. Back to the middle. Back to the middle. Get this corner. I'm sorry I'm off camera here. It's a function of not having a lot of familiarity with this technique and how to film this. Back to the middle. Let's go this way. Just get some float paint over here. So I got nothing. I've got nothing. Okay. Back. Okay, now. So where I'm touching these corners here, I'm just trying to get it lubricated, just like with coasters before I'm getting ready to spin it out. But I'm not going to spin this out, I'm just tilting it out, but I'm trying to get it so that the paint knows where it needs to go. Okay, now, let's go down there. I was really sad to see this section with the Nicolazzo disappear, but I had to take it off because I had too much paint on the canvas. I'm losing too much off the side. Let's come back. Get the weight over here, and then let's let the weight push it down there. There we go. Now I'm more balanced. There we go. Off. And then back to the center. That black spot's a little bit much right there. Like to squash it down some. This is a weird, weird cat. I'm not sure if I like all of that. This is just a weird thing. Let's give it a torch. I don't know if I like all this. I think I needed to get that off. I think I need to get some of it off anyway. It just looks sloppy. So after this tilt, I cut out about 2 minutes of staring at this and trying to figure out what I'm going to do. And what I do here is I'm getting the palette knife and I'm just playing with some of the composition, trying to pull it into the negative space a little bit, just to add a little interest so the negative space isn't just so blank. And I'll be doing that through this section. Love it red over here. That's all on its own. Well, I don't know. What do we have? 40 minutes. How do I stop this thing? Well, I think we're about done. So this is where it is. And I certainly have to figure out orientation. I do find the negative space to be interesting. I kind of like it. No, I do like it. It's like fire over there. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry I was a little clunky going through it, but hey, live and learn. So here are the dry results, and this is with 3 coats of satin varnish. Let me know which orientation you prefer, number 1, 2, or 3. So that's all for now. Until next time, take care.